Hi students, welcome back for once more again our online class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is linear equations with a one variable. Chapter 2, linear equations with a one variable. Now before learning the equations, you should know some of the terms related with this. So you can see that some of the terms are very unfamiliar with you. So let's speak about that. And you have learned that in your small classes, that is previous class, about equations and expressions. Now what is meant by an expression? Expression means when you say a statement like this, a number is added with a number is added with x. That means a number is added with 8. A number is added with 8. It is a statement. You can write it as an expression in this way, that is x plus 8. At the same time, a number is subtracted from 9. A number is subtracted from 9. So, number is subtracted from 9 can be written as in this way. That is, number is here x. That is, x can be subtracted from 9. So, in this way we can make the expressions. Understood? Now, these expressions in detail more we can make it as when the statement like this, a number is added with 8, we get 2. So, we will write like this, equal 2. So, we will come to the equation. This we call it as an equation. Now, we will see that which are the parts of an equation. When a expression is becoming an equation, in that we can say that equal sign, that is equality, and there will be variables. Now, what are variables? Variables are the unknown numbers which are representing that small alphabets, which can be used small alphabets x, y, z, p, q, r, s, etc. So, here variable is x. Then equality sign is there, equal, that is becoming the equation. Now, each equation is having what? Two sides. Two sides of the equal. Why it is equal? Both the sides should be balanced. It should be equal. That is why. So, it has two sides. They are known as LHS and RHS. Now, what is meant by LHS? LHS is equal to left hand side. That is the equal side, left side of the equal side. Whatever term is given, we call it as LHS. The term which is given right side of the equal, that is known as RHS. Now, when we talk about these equations, now we will go to that what is about the variable you all have understood, x. Now, one more term is left out here, that is linear. What is known as a linear? Linear equation we are talking about. Linear means the highest power of the equation is always 1. That means here variable x is there. Now, x has a power 1. X is having power 1 in smaller classes, you have learned that. And here x is having 1 is here is also, that is also known as coefficient, learned in previous classes. So, whenever any variable in an equation is having highest degree is 1, such kind of equations are known as linear equations. So, we will deal with in this particular lesson only the linear equations. Now, how to solve the equation? That also solving equations which have expression on one side and a number on the other side. It means expressions on one side, one variable is on one side and the number will be on the other side. Now, how can we solve this equation? Now, when we solve the equation, we would start with that, therefore, 5x is equal to 8 plus 9. Now, see that 9 from left hand side is taken to the right hand side by changing the sign. It is known as transposing. So, by solving the equation, you should know that what is meant by transposing. Transposing means the term which is changing from one side of the equal to the other side by changing the sign. So here minus will change into plus. So you will get, therefore 5x is equal to 8 plus 9, that is 17. Therefore x is equal to 17 upon 5. Now again transposing. 5 is multiplied here. When it goes to that side, it will become divide. So x is equal to 17 upon 5. Again, if you want to make this is the answer, or you can write in the integer form. Integer form also you can write. That is 3 5s are 15 and 2 remainder upon 5. 3 integer 2 upon 5. So these are the example I am showing. Now let us start, that is solving the following equations which is given in the exercise. Now look at the first example, that is 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. So start with therefore 2x is equal to 18 multiplied by 3. Why it is a multiply? Here in this left hand side it is a division. When it goes to the other side it will become multiply. So therefore 2x is equal to 18 3s are 54. Therefore x is equal to 54 upon 2. Now again 2 is a multiply with the x. That when it goes to the other side of the equal, then it will become division. Now we can cancel it. That is 2 2s are 4, 1 carry. 14, 7 2s are. So we get x is equal to 27. Okay, now we'll go to the next one with that rational numbers. So you can see that 3 upon 7 and rational numbers. So therefore again variables has to be kept to one side and the constant to the other side. 17 upon 7. Then when we take this, it will change the sign, that is minus 3 upon 7. And it is easy to understand that same denominator means just minus the numerator and with the same denominator. 17 minus 3 upon 7 is equal to 17 minus 3 is 14 upon 7. And again cancellation you can do it. 2 7s are 7 1s are. Therefore x is equal to 2. Now students, look at here. We are going to solve some of these sums that is known as practical sums. Now, why do you learn the equations? By using equations, we can solve some of the practical sums in our daily life. Look at one of the question I have given, that is from exercise 2.2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So here it is not clearly given, that is what is length and what is breadth, but it is given the perimeter. Now look at the picture. Here you can find out one of the rectangular swimming pool. In this way you can draw it, and you can see that length this side and this one is the breadth, and it is already saying that its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So we can take the breadth as the x number. So let the breadth will be x. And it is telling that what is about the length then? Length is telling 2 meter more than the twice its breadth. So what is twice its breadth? Twice its breadth. First we said that breadth is x. And it is telling that length is twice the breadth. That means length will be twice the breadth, means 2x. Breadth is x, so twice the breadth means 2x. Then again one more condition is said, its length is 2 meter more than that, more than the breadth. So plus 2. So we get that breadth and length here. And total the measurement is also given, that is perimeter 154. Now what is meant by perimeter? Perimeter means the total sum of the measurements of all the sides of a rectangular. And do you remember what is the formula to find out the perimeter? That is what we call it as 2 into L plus B. So by using this formula we can solve it. So first we should write all these statements. Statements are here. First we came to know that let the breadth be x. Therefore, length is equal to, it is twice the breadth as well as 2 meter more, that is 2x plus 2. And perimeter is already given. What is the perimeter given? Perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. So equation is what it comes, that is a perimeter. Already we learned that what is the formula to finding perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. Therefore, here we said that a perimeter is already, it is given, that is 154 is equal to, then 2 here it is already there. Now substitute. Now L is length 2x plus 2 plus breadth is here, we already written, that is x. Now solve the equation. Now therefore here 2 is multiplied with this. So we can make it as a divide here. So 154. Therefore 154 upon 2 is equal to, here also you can add it, 2x plus x is equal to 3x plus 2. Now again solve it. 154 can be written as, use the cancellation method, 7 2s are 14, carry 1, so again 7 2s are 14, so 77. So we get 77 is equal to 3x plus 2. Then again you can see that here what we call it as a variable number, let it be here, and take the other side this 2, so it will become minus and 3x will remain here. Then again you can see that 77 minus 2 is equal to 75 is equal to 3x. Therefore 75 upon 3, because 3 is here multiplied, when it comes this side it will become division, that will be equal to x. Now you can see that your cancellation method, 25 3s are 75. So therefore x is equal to 25. Now 25 means here what we are getting? X means breadth. Breadth is equal to 25. Breadth is x, that is equal to 25. Now length. To find out the length, you have to substitute, that is 2x plus 2. That will be equal to 2 into x instead of x, that is substitute the value of x, that is 25 plus 2, that is equal to 25 plus 2 means how much it is? 2 into 25, 2 into 25 plus 2. So 2 25s are 50 plus 2, that is equal to 52. And meter, here also it will become meter. So you are getting breadth 25 meter and length will be 52 meter. That will be written here, that is breadth 25 meter, and here length is 52 meter. That will be length and breadth of the swimming pool. Come on students, we will solve again another one of the sum which is coming under the practical sums, and here it is written as the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Now here multiples are not given, it is just told that 3 consecutive multiples. Now first you should know that what are consecutive and what are multiples. In your small classes you have learned what are multiples and factors. Now multiples means here 8 multiple. 8 multiple means first one is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, and 8 fours are 32, goes on. That we call it as a multiples. And you know what is consecutive. Consecutive numbers means continuous numbers. 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. This way we can say that consecutive numbers and multiples means this way we can find out the multiples. Now not given means we have to assume the numbers that numbers are. So let the 3 multiples of 8 are, let the 3 multiples of 8 are, first one we can take it as x, second one is x plus 8, because second is first one can we make it as x, so next it will come x plus 8, then next it will become x plus 16. Now from this we can find out the value of x and all the 3 multiples. Then again it is given that the sum of these 3 multiples is also given. So sum of these multiple is given, that is 888. Therefore we can make an equation. Now what will be the equation? The given numbers that x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to 888. Now see that all these x can be added, 1, 2, 3. So therefore 3x is equal, 3x plus that is 16 plus 8, that is 24, is equal to 888. Therefore 3x is equal to 888 minus 24. See that here, this side it is plus, when it goes to the other side of the equal, it will become minus. Sign change. It is known as transposing. Therefore 884, answer will be 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. And left out the 8. So we get 864. That means 864, 3x is equal to 864. Now, therefore, x is equal to 864 upon 3. Why upon 3? Because 3 is multiplied with x. When it goes to the other side of the equal sign, it will become division. So it will be divided. And you know that how to divide this. It's not that small children do that second standard going and dividing. No, we will do the cancellation method. Now just to see that the cancellation method, how can be done? 864 upon 3. 3 can be divided in 8 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 carry over. Then 26 it will be 8 3s are 24. Then again 2. So again 24, it is 8. So how much you are getting? 288. So cancellation method is easy to do. So therefore x is equal to 288. Now once you get the x, you can get x plus 8 and x plus 16. So first multiple is First multiple is 288. 288. Then second multiple is x plus 8. Substitute value the x value, that is 288. X is equal to 864 upon 3. Now, what I said, that is we can divide this number by using cancellation method. So, in cancellation method, you can apply like this: 864 divided with 3 can be written this way: 2 3s are 6, then 2 carry forward, then 26, 8 3s are 24, then again 2 carry forward, again 24 comes, so 8 3s are 24. So, cancel, you will get a 288. So, 864 cancelled, getting 288. 1 is 1, that is equal to 288. Now, x means here we already said that it is the first multiple. So, first multiple is x, that is equal to 288. Now, second multiple is x plus 8. Means value of x can be substituted, that is 288 plus 8, that will be equal to 8 plus 8, 16, 1, carry forward, then 8 plus 1, 9, and 2 is left. 288 plus 8 is equal to 296. That is second multiple. Then third multiple is x plus 16 is equal to, again value of x is what? 288. Substitute the value of x plus 16 is equal to 8 plus 6, 14. Then carry 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 2 plus 1, that is 3. So, 304. So, all the 3 multiples we are getting. These are the 3 multiples of 8. Okay, students. Now, let us see that question number 3. How can we solve it? And I said that the practical sums are very useful in our daily life by solving the equations. Now, I have a total number of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? When you get a word problem, you are supposed to read it twice. Then only you will get the idea about it. So, what are the things are given in the statement like problems? Here, I have a total rupees is 300 is there, and total coins also given, that is 160. But none of the rupees coins directly not given the numbers. But you can see that here the number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times of rupees 5 coins. From this sentence, you will get what can be taken it as a x, because rupees 5 coins. Here x can be rupees 5 coins. So, first we can see that x will be that 5 rupees coins. Now, again it is given the number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times of 5 rupees coin. So, how many times? 3 times. So, 2 rupees coin will be 3 times of 5 rupees. 3 times of 5 rupees. 5 rupees is x and 3 times of 5 rupees is 3x. So, 2 rupees also we got it. Then, third, it is not given that 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee coin, how can you find out? Here already we got that number of coins, total number of coins is 160. So we are getting 2 and 5 is getting. Then 1 we are supposed to find out. So 1 is to find out how, when we add these 2 number of coins and minus from total number of coins, that is 160 minus 3x plus x. Then we get that number of coins of 1 rupee. So we can start the writing the statements in this way. First one is how many number of total coins are given. Then total rupees is equal to 300. Again it is given, total coins also given, that is 160. And we assumed in this way, that is let the number of rupees 5 is x. Therefore, number of rupees 2 is equal to, it is 2 times, it is already said 3 times of rupees 5. So it will become x 2x, 2 times 3 times, so 3x. Then we find out the number of 1 rupees coins is equal to, total number is 160 minus the given numbers, that is 3x plus x. Therefore we get 160 minus 4x. That much will be the number of 1 rupee coins. Then again in the sum it is given how much money it is, each one it is having. So that values of each one we have to find out. That means 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees coins, how many times. Now find out the values of this. That means values of rupees 5 is equal to 5 into x, that is 5x. Then values of rupees 2 is equal to 2 into 3x is equal to 6x. Then value of 1 rupee, 1, that will be 1 into 160 minus 4x is equal to 160 minus 4x. Okay, now we can find out the equation from this. Now, equation (5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to total number of rupees, that is 300. So make the equation in such a way that 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to rupees 300. Now all the variables numbers with you can add it. Therefore 5x plus 6x is equal to 11x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to rupees 300. Again one more variable is there. So 11x minus 4x plus 160 is equal to rupees 300. Now 11 minus 4 is equal to 7x plus 160 is equal to rupees 300. Therefore 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. You all know that when that number which is constant, when it goes to the other side of the equal sign, it will change the sign. That means transposing the number. So we get a 300 minus 160, that is equal to 0. Then you see that a 10 minus 6, 4. Then 3, it will become 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So 140. Therefore, x is equal to 140 upon 7. Because 7 here multiply, when it goes to the outside, it will become divide. Then you can cancel here, you will get a 20. So once you get a x is 20, and the next part you can substitute the given numbers. Now, in substitution, the number of coins x was the number of coins of 5. Number of coins of 5 is equal to x, that is equal to how much we are getting? 20. Then number of coins rupees 2, rupees 5, rupees 2 is equal to, we can get 3x, that is 3 into 20 is equal to 60. Then number of coins of rupees 1 is equal to 160 minus 4x is equal to 160 minus 4 into x is 20 is equal to 160 minus 4 2s are 80. 4 20s are 80 is equal to 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. So, number of 5 rupees coins are 20, number of 2 rupees coins are 60, and the number of 1 rupees coins are 80. Okay. Now, remaining sums are solved and kept in the PDF. You have to solve all these sums, exercise 2.1 and 2.2 in the classwork book. Okay, thank you.